Hi guys, this is teacher David Ng from Emmanuel Learning Hub, and today I'd like to present to you the solution to this question that one of my students has asked. Is taken from their school prelim papers, and my student just had his prelim today. The question is taken from today's prelim paper 2021 of Mary Stella High School. One of the questions, their AMAX paper 1. And this question is very challenging and I like it. I really love this question. And I really want to thank this teacher for his school teacher for setting such a question that shows standard and is really very good. And here I'd like to present to you this question as well as the solution. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you this question. This question says that tangent bracket, open bracket, a plus b, close bracket, equal to -1. And tangent, open bracket, a minus b is equal to 1/7. Prove that tangent 2a minus tangent 2b equal to 7/12. At first glance, right, when you look at this question, you are very tempted to expand your tangent A plus B. But don't do that, because if you were to do that, right, you will end up with tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A, tangent B, and you have a more complicated kind of expression. And in maths, right, you try to simplify your expression if you can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use very elementary trigo to do, okay, meaning this is something that would blow students' mind off because they tend to overthink and overcomplicated this question. So without further ado, let me just show you the solution to this question. Okay, tangent A plus B is -1, right? So if my tangent A plus B is equal to -1, my A plus B apparently is tangent inverse -1. Keep it simple, okay? So A plus B is tangent inverse -1. Then the other one is tangent A minus B is equal to 1/7. Therefore, A minus B is equal to tangent inverse 1/7. Okay, this is something we have established. So if you to observe the algebra closely, right, you have A plus B at one side and A minus B at the other side. So if you notice, right, if I were to use my equation 1, let's call this equation 1, and this is equation 2. If I were to use equation 1 plus equation 2, I'll end up with A plus B plus A minus B, correct? Equation 1 plus equation 2 will be A plus B plus A minus B. This one you'll end up with 2A, because A plus A is 2A, B minus B is nothing, so it's 2A. So your 2A apparently is equal to tangent inverse -1 plus tangent inverse 1/7. So this is your 2A. Okay, does that make sense? This is your 2A. So now we're going to establish 2B. How about 2B? 2B, if you notice, right, is actually you want to get rid of your A, right? So you're going to use equation 1 minus equation 2. So you have your A plus B minus equation 2. Can you see? Equation 1 minus equation 2. Therefore, when I open this bracket, I have A minus A, the A disappear. B minus B is B plus B. So B plus B is your 2B. Therefore, your 2B is actually equal to your equation 1 minus equation 2, right? That will be tangent inverse -1 minus tangent inverse 1/7. Okay, right now we have established your 2A and 2B, correct? So if I were to use tangent 2A, right? So since I already got my 2a, right, let's work out the answer for 2a. So if you were to work out your answer for 2a, right, that is your tangent inverse minus 1 plus tangent inverse 1/7, tangent inverse minus 1 plus tangent inverse 1/7, you will end up with negative 36.8698 blah blah blah. So I'm going to record this answer, save it on my calculator. But anyway, I'm just going to write out the full answer. Negative 36.86989765. Okay. Then the other one, right? Tangent inverse, negative 1 minus tangent inverse 1/7. Okay. You end up with negative 53.13. Negative 53.13010235. Okay, this is the exact answer that appeared on my calculator. So right now, since I already got my angle 2a and 2b, right, just plug it back. So tangent 2a is this angle. So that would be tangent negative 36.86989765. So this is my tangent 2a. And minus tangent, your angle 2b is negative 53.13010235. So you have the press calculator, right, for such a value, right? You will get, okay, let me work out the answer first. Tangent negative 36.86989765 minus tangent negative 53.13010235. Okay, you got to leave your negative degree here when you do the question. So you press equal sign, right? You'll end up with 0.58, infinite number of 3. Okay, 0.58, infinite number of 3. So this decimal here, right, apparently is equal to 7/12, which is what you are supposed to prove. So you can use calculator and press 7 divided by 12, you will get 0.58 infinite number of 3. So I hope I answer your questions for students who just had their prelim papers today. So this is a very good question. So you have proven your tangent 2a minus tangent 2b is 7/12. All right. So this is teacher David Ng of Emmanuel Learning Hub. So I hope that this answer and this solution that's presented here is helpful for your study and revision purpose for additional mathematics. So if you have further questions and if you want to find out more about my tuition class, you can drop me a call you can WhatsApp me at 9795 1295. This is teacher David Ng. Thank you.